guys check this place out. Look at this old house, huh? So guys, the word is there's 3 Beetles on this property. I don't know if they're in there or if they're out back. One of my friend's friend apparently bought this place and he's redoing the size of that tree. He's redoing this place. See these old rock walls, entrance, some old churches. Oh, there's another barn. Why do I have a feeling they're up in that barn? Please tell me they're not up there. How do we even get in there if that's the case? Oh, they could be in there. Wow. I might have to borrow Musty One's backhoe, because there was a road in there at one time. I got a feeling they're in there. Oh, they are. No way. No way. That's what? No way. Yep. This is how they're gonna have to come out. Oh my. Wow. Oh, is it blue? Oh, it's blue. It's Jen's favorite color. I'm getting my energy. Wow. It is blue. What year is it? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? So you Dizzy just thinks we need a couple shovels. You were ready to legit do this today, weren't you?
I was.
Yeah, he was like,
ready.
I'll get a shovel, I'll start moving this stuff. And yeah. It's right down there.
Man, if you look at it from here, that car's down in there.
I told you, it's like 4 feet down below all this stuff. And he's like, oh, we'll just move these 2x4s. I'm like, with what machine? He's like, I am a machine.
Right, I am a machine.
So this is what we're up against. To think I'm actually gonna pay for these cars, do not tell Jen.
Don't tell her.
Yeah, don't tell Jen.
I didn't say a word.
Okay, all right. Did you challenge me?
I did challenge you, but I mean, you know, Welch's come fucking every day.
Buddy, what are you doing down there, buddy?
They're about 4 feet down. Look at, turn them around, show them the approach.
This is the approach, Bri.
Show me the approach, brother. Oh, yeah, you guys got that all day.
Look at mattresses
Look at-
here and,
Look at this.
and furniture and oh, dude, it's bad.
So we are up in Massachusetts
Massachusetts.
in a what, it's got to be 1800s, right? At least.
Yeah, I would definitely say this barn is at least that.
Yeah.
You know,
So we've
they've
got the
granite holding it up. I mean,
pillars.
Yeah.
So I'm here with you, Dizzy,
How you doing?
and the Diz Man.
Listen, I dared them. You guys are here to see it right now. I said, I dare you to get these 3 bugs out of here.
Oh my Lord. So we are 4 feet below the actual. Diz, he's just a machine. He just said, I'll just
take
grab a
that,
couple
right,
shovels and I'll knock this out. Well, I think we're gonna need Musty One's 580 or whatever the hell that thing is. What did he buy? A JCB? I don't even remember.
Yeah, he bought something big.
I mean, this thing is 4 feet below.
Yeah, they used it as a...
I didn't bring my
Obvious
Eager
thing.
Beaver chainsaw.
But I mean, this door wouldn't be so bad for this one, if that's the one. But it's definitely probably this one and that one.
Yeah, so we got a Super
That
Beetle
one,
that's
I
been
mean, has
crushed.
a lot to it.
This one is a sunroof car. It's got the nice steely hole in the roof. Red interior. I know Dubworks is all about this right now. He loves white on red. Got the hood. There's the other door.
Yeah. What's behind you? There's a fender or something over there? That's something else.
Yeah, the other door and the seat.
Is this the fender? Right
Oh yeah, look what you found. Look at that.
Shit.
The restoration is...
Has begun. Oh, this one right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is 30% tread right here. That's the back fender.
Was the... Oh my goodness. I came with a trailer.
Oh, the other door's right here. And the seat.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a door and seat. I guess we just carry the chassis out, huh? Or the body. Is there? Oh, there is a chassis. Look.
You'd have to
Yeah, it's
break
actually.
it free.
Oh man. So I think this might be a 68. It's got a 12-volt sticker on it. It's got the big bumper. It's got the side, yeah, I think a 68. So this is early. Well,
Looks like it had a crash.
oh, I didn't see that. I walked right by
Look,
that.
I got one eye. What are you doing?
I'm just...
Well, it comes with free lunch.
Oh, yeah.
Scooby snaps.
Oh.
You think something's living in there? Look at that.
No.
No, there's nothing in there.
No.
Listen, Brian would fire that right up.
Hey, she's got chocolate milk in her.
She got chocolate milk.
Oh boy. Diz. Here's the look at when the running boards are even with the ground. But it is blue. It is Jen's favorite color. And Diz challenged me. Dared me. Dare you to get this thing out of here. This crazy bastard wanted to do it today with a shovel. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey, I came game.
I'm calling Musty. I'm gonna go get his whatever he bought. Big boy backhoe. Does have a key though. Framingham. Continuing education student, 1981-82. 81-82.
His daughter used it, maybe.
You can see we're missing a passenger panel. Still has a radio in it. How many miles we got? I can't see.
Can I move this door for you, man?
Nah, let's leave it. Finding more treasure. Oh, a hubcap.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna dare open the door.
Look, I got your steering wheel and everything.
Oh, nice. I'm not gonna dare open the door because it might never close. Oh, the other seat's in it. Nice. Going for the glove box, Diz.
Right on.
This could be bad.
Doesn't Brian love these?
Oh, there's not a mouse nest in there. There is a... Look, it's got your matching flashlight.
Oh, it does.
Look at that.
Wicked cool. Brian loves these things here. These are the
Yeah.
big old
Well,
lights.
those are the smaller. Those aren't too bad. See if we got a reg. Nope.
Couple of things. You know.
Nice.
I mean, if we were gonna dig in here, I wouldn't leave here without digging through the whole thing, because that's how I roll.
You got a couple early hubcaps. All right, me and Diz are signing off. You guys have a great weekend.
We totally matched. We called
That's
each
right.
other and just said, hey, I'm wearing this. And he said, I'm wearing this.
Only yours is firefighter.
It's just the same color, same coat.
Mine's-
They just got a different tag.
Mine's sidewalk shoveler.
And you viewers, let us know what you think. Do you want us to dig this out? I'm game. It's up to him and his wife's checkbook.
Oh, that's how. That's where all these cars come from.
Oh, I wasn't supposed to say.
Drop the beans.
Apologize.
Just kidding. All right, guys. Thanks for dropping in. Let us know. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Peace.
The wife's checkbook. Let's see if there's anything in this barn. Whoa! Well, there's Peter the rabbit. We got a rabbit. Oh yeah, will it run? There's a Honda. It's an old Honda Z50 motor. That's what that is. Can go big bore. What do we have? Old snowmobile. Why couldn't they put the VWs up here? No idea what those are out of. Supersonic. It's got the safety flag on it. Supersonic. I'm not really a sled guy. Oh, it's a bombardier. All right. No, it won't. What else we got up here? Not too much in here. Not too much at all. That's large. We've got a slight hole here. Well, somebody might dig that. Tripod hanger right there. That's pretty cool. Is that? Oh, it's a light. I don't know anything about antiques. Plastic. I was thinking it might be metal. Old television. Cool piece of driftwood. We got a Z50 engine.
Nice. What's this engine?
Z50. Oh, here's a VW training. It's a VW transmission. So with that, we're signing off. Thanks for dropping in, checking it out. Man.
So you know what he said.
What?
He said he ain't even going for it. He can't do it.
Oh. He dared me to get those VWs out of there. All right.
Listen, I just wanted you to come see them before they were scrapped. I mean, if you could get a piece or two off of them, cool. But looking at the history before it's gone is the important thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I know you're game, so I got a guy.
I'm game. You just call.
We'll just call all the local VW heads and maybe we'll dig those bugs out of there.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for dropping in. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care.